Suzuki Hayabusa fans, check this out. We've got a pretty one, a beautiful one, an immaculate Busa with a Trac Dynamics swing arm. Great company out of California, Dave Earl, who has been in the motorcycle drag racing game for so long, makes excellent swing arms for these bikes. Make sure you check out Trac Dynamics. Let's give you a good look at this machine. It is beautiful. And there's the rider, the fearless rider. What's your name again, sir?
Brian Steer.
Excellent. Where are you from?
Oceanside, California.
Very cool. What year Busa?
It's a 2018 Hayabusa, stock motor, all bolt-ons.
What are some of the bolt-ons that you have on this thing?
Yeah, so obviously Trac Dynamics swing arm, Penske drag shock.
Oh, you have the drag shock. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we hear suspension is so very important on these motorcycles. What's your impression of that?
It's amazing. Yeah, it's a game changer.
Excellent.
If you don't have one, you're just not right.
How do you like that Trac Dynamics swing arm?
It's phenomenal. Not only is it beautiful, it functions like a champ. It's beautiful. I love it.
Excellent. All right, tell me about some of the other components we have here.
So it's got a Schnitz Racing. It's the Ryan Schnitz Racing air shifter.
Oh, this is the Ryan Schnitz air shifter.
Yeah.
Very cool. Now, is this an auto air shifter?
It is. It's auto. It's got the auto box inside the back here. And then other than that, it's got a 4-to-1 Brock's alien head
Let's
tube
see.
off.
I guessed by the shirt that you were a Brock's Performance fan. Let's take a look here.
Loud turbo.
Yes, loud turbo. Okay, so you got the Brock's pipe on it.
Yep.
Very
full exhaust, alien head tube.
Now, I've heard so many great things about these pipes. Take a look, guys. What's your impression of the exhaust?
Beautiful. Sounds great. Operates flawlessly. It's an easy install. No cut, no mods whatsoever. It was a quick and easy install. It was perfect.
How about the sound of your motorcycle?
Oh man, it's beautiful.
It's mean, huh?
It's mean. Yeah.
What's your best ET on this bike?
Quarter mile is a 940, and then yeah, 940.
That's pretty darn good. The stock motor.
142 mile an hour. Yeah, the motor hasn't been touched since it was at Suzuki's plant. So.
What kind of 60 footers?
I've run 148.
That's great. 330?
Offhand, I can't remember.
Got you. Very good. Well, you're doing a great job. As I can see, it's a beautiful bike. It's got that cool stock look to it. Check it out, guys. Trac Dynamics swing arm. He's got the Brock's Performance exhaust. It's a thing of beauty. How you doing on the ET circuit?
Pretty good. Sorry, I raced in the Summit Series and pretty much everywhere around here. We're also on the San Diego top 10 list. Currently number 3, looking to move up. So it's we're killing it. So,
excellent.
Yeah.
Well, great bike, man. Thanks a lot for showing me.
Thanks, boss. Appreciate
Let's
it.
take one more look at it. It's sweet. Oh, as you can see, it's got the Brock's Performance rear view mirror eliminators. Brock told me himself that is worth a lot of performance and a lot of ET because you eliminate all the drag that your rear view mirrors cause. Give you one more look at the Ryan Schnitz auto shifter. And guys, the beautiful, take a look at the swing arm. I'm telling you, the workmanship on this swing arm, you gotta call Dave Earl from Trac Dynamics if you want a beautiful arm like this. Very streetable, and it's worth a lot of performance out here on the drag strip. It's a thing of beauty. I want to know in the comments, what do you guys think? What modifications do you like? What modifications would you do to a Suzuki Hayabusa? How would you set up a Suzuki Hayabusa for street strip use? That's what we want to know. Let us know. It's a beautiful motorcycle that Brian constructed that runs 940s. He probably has a lot of fun on the street. Hey, Brian inspired us to get a Brock's exhaust. You should do the same. Stay tuned to this channel as we track the progress on the CycleDrag.com Hayabusa with a new Brock's pipe. Please make sure you are subscribed to CycleDrag on YouTube and like CycleDrag.com on Facebook to follow all the action. There is so much up right now for your pleasure.